So this is VHT engine enamel, and this is Chevy orange. VHT, by the way, I believe stands for very high temperature. And what I do after I give this can a good shake, I use the cap and I spray some paint in there. Get an artist brush, and now I'm ready to touch up the engine. And I find areas that I look for areas where there's paint chips, and I carefully apply some paint. I'll bring you in a second here. I just want to get this started. And I put a decent dab of paint so it kind of builds up. It usually, if you add enough paint, it kind of levels off by itself. It is really, really cool. And I find again little chips, because those things bother me. Needless to say, you want to have a clean surface before you do this, before you get all artistic. It can be really quite relaxing. So get a little more paint, and I'll bring you in so you can see what I'm doing. Alrighty. See if I can reach over here. I'm basically just adding this paint. I'm not using brush strokes really to paint this. I'm just, in essence, dropping some paint in a few areas where it needs a little touch up, and allow it to flow all by itself. I think it looks a lot better. I think it's a waste of time if you really try to brush this on. It doesn't work as well, I think. Good. That was looking really bad before. So now that is better. Let's find some more areas in need of attention. Here I found another area that needs a little bit of attention. And I'm going to try to get some paint down here. And again, just a little dabbing. And let it self-level. Paint, any fluid really will have that tendency. Oh, there's a little chip right here. No more. Oh, let's go back to the Edelbrock writing. I see a spot here that I missed there. Much better. Anyway, I'm not going to bore you to death with touching up every little single detail, but I think you get the idea. It just makes things so much nicer. Now there are a few areas where I usually leave alone, like back here. It'll chip because of temperature changes. But the more visible areas, I like to go over those, and it is pretty hard to film all of this. One, because I'm all by myself, but there's another couple areas down there. I think there's some dirt, and I'm gonna get in there and clean them and touch them up if needed. But anyway, I'll be back in a sec.